Now that I've finished my row of knit stitches, I'm going to show you how to do the back side, which is the purl stitch. So for this one, you'll have flipped your work around so your working yarn is at the tip of your left needle, and then you have your right needle in your right hand and your working yarn held. And so you'll want to, for the purl side, your needle will go under the yarn, and then you are inserting the needle through the front this time, and so you're still making the X with your needles, but it's in the front this time, and then you're wrapping the yarn. You're going around like that, and then bringing the yarn loop with you, pull it through, and then make sure you're dropping the loop from the left needle off of the right as you go. So again, bring it under, through the front, working yarn, wrap, will look like that, and then draw through, drop the loop, wrap, draw through, drop the loop, through to make an X with your needles, wrap,